two matrices A and B are said to be similar if B is equal to P inverse AP for some invertible matrix P. Which of the following is not true? We already studied similar matrix. What is similar matrix? So any matrix we can write as B, P inverse AP, right? If any matrix we can represent using an invertible matrix like this, right? This is similarity transformation. We already discussed. We studied that property also. If we can represent a matrix B in terms of A by similarity transformation, then A and B are similar matrix. Similar matrix properties we studied. Its rank is same, its eigenvalues are same, its determinant is same, but eigenvectors are different. Eigenvectors are different, right? So this is not true. A and B have same eigenvalues. This is true. Trace A is equal to trace B. This is also true. Determinant A. A and B has same I. This is not true. So not true only they asked, right?